Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize Facebook ads with AdEspresso, beginner guide step by step clearly. To optimize Facebook ads using AdEspresso, start by creating an account on AdEspresso. Once logged in, connect your Facebook ad account to AdEspresso. Navigate to the dashboard to access the main features. Select Create New Campaign to begin your ad setup. Choose your campaign objective based on your goals, such as traffic or conversions. Next, define your target audience by selecting demographics, interests, and behaviors. Utilize the Audience Insights feature to refine your selections for better precision. Move on to the ad creation section, where you can select ad formats like carousel or single image. Upload high-quality visuals that resonate with your audience. Craft a compelling ad copy that aligns with your brand message. Set your budget and schedule for the ad campaign. AdEspresso provides a split testing option. Use this to test different ad variations. Create multiple ad sets with varying elements, such as images or headlines. Monitor real-time performance metrics through the AdEspresso dashboard. Evaluate which ad performs best by looking at engagement and click-through rates. Make data-driven adjustments based on the performance insights you gather. Repeat this process to continuously optimize and improve your ads over time. By following these steps, you'll be on your way to mastering Facebook ads with AdEspresso. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.